Hi everyone, we are going to do another science experiment, and this time it is going to be mixing two items together, two things to create a chemical reaction. The first thing is it's going to be vinegar, and we're also going to be mixing baking powder. So let's have a look. What else do we need? We're going to have a cup where we're going to put the vinegar, and we're going to place the cup to make sure that for safety really, we're going to put the cup or the glass on the inside of a plastic container. Okay then, now come around here and let's have a look. Let me show you what we've got here. Okay then, so as you can see, we've got the vinegar here, and I'm going to put the vinegar into the cup. We're going to put it 3/4 of the way up like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little tiny bit of food colouring in there, just to be, well, just to make it give it a little bit more of an effect. Okay then, so now we have the baking soda, and I'm going to do quite a large spoonful of this. Let's see, quite a bit. And let's see what reaction we're going to get. Do you think it'll just go in? Oh, let's have a little look. Oh, what's going on? Just make sure that bit goes down there. Oops. Whoa, look at that. We've got some real good pink fizz there. And of course the container around the outside is working quite well. Let's just make sure that's all okay inside. Whoa, it looks almost like an exploding exploding milkshake, but we've got the cover of this to stop it from going too much. So it's starting to drip down the sides now. Look at the chemical reaction that happens with those two substances. It's quite amazing. You can put any food colouring in as well. How amazing is that? Wow. Lots of froth. And, you know, it all depends on how much of the baking powder that you put in. But what kind of chemical reaction is that? Well, have a little look at the end and I'll explain exactly that. But I think from now, I think I better clear up the mess. Have fun anyway doing your experiment.